It is a universal truth that networking is one of the most important aspect of our lives. Networking is something which is important not in just the professional life but even in our personal life. Just take an example. Say suppose a businessman, okay, if he wants to do business in a particular city, he should have networking with the fellow businessmen, the trade association, the local politicians, government officials, and in many cases, with the local police as well. Similarly, for a professional person, he should have networking with his peers, with his superiors, okay, and the other connections. Now, uh, you know, this aspect is very important because a network, okay, it is it's a group, okay, which is useful in our good times to celebrate our wins, our success and achievements. However, it is more important when we are in a challenging situation, when we are facing struggles. This group definitely helps us. So, friends, I am Mayur, and through this live video, I'll give 3 tips to improve our networking skills. The first and the most important tip is have a look at your current network. Many of us, we undermine the gold mine, that we already have. We already have a good network of friends, professionals, colleagues, but we just try to make more and more connections, which ideally doesn't help every time. Try to first see, dig into whatever connections you have, whatever networking you already have, okay, and try to leverage it. For example, if you are looking for a job, okay, a team lead role, check your existing networking connections. See who is one level above you, that is a manager or senior manager level, and try to get in touch with them, try to network with them because those are the people who might be aware of the openings about the team lead role, and they can definitely help you. So never underestimate the networking, the connections that you already made. So always your first choice should be to leverage the existing connections. Second, and this is again a very important tip, do not just build connections, okay, make real connections. Now what I mean by that, many a times we look at the count, we look at the quantity. Oh, I have 1,000 connections, I have 1,000 friends, but are those real? Okay, will they stand up or will they entertain you when you are facing some challenges? So my take on this is that instead of quantity, focus on quality, make real connections. This is just don't keep this as a business. Many a times we exchange the contact cards, okay, but we do not exchange emotions. So always make an emotional connect with the people. So this connection and this networking will be persistent, okay. It won't be just momental when you just exchange the cards and forget about it. So make real connections. Third and most important tip which we fail to follow is we do not nurture our networking. We do not do follow up. For example, if you meet someone at an event, okay, you introduce yourself, you get their introduction, you exchange the business cards, that's it. We forget, okay, we just that sits somewhere in our memory lane. But what my suggestion is that go one step ahead, okay, call that person, ask him about the feedback about you, like when you introduced you yourself to him about your first conversation. Try to get some feedback. Also, after a few months, try to contact that particular connection or that particular network person Do not always set an agenda. Okay, it can be just a hello, hi, a kind of a emotional connect. Okay, so every time if there is a business, if your mind is trying to get or gain something from the person, that connection or that networking will not sustain for longer time. So many a times you don't have to set any agenda, just have a conversation, just be in touch. Okay, so these are the golden tips that I follow to increase and to nurture my network, and also to utilize and leverage my existing network. So thanks for watching this live video. This is Mayuresh signing off. Have a good night. Bye.